Greetings to everyone. So, last time we talked about sorting, that is sorting in Excel. Today's part will mainly focus on filter data. So, we're gonna define the term filter. How do we apply filter? Where do we find the filter? And how maybe what is the importance of filter? Why do we need filter in Excel? So as we said, we are trying to make our data in Excel more professional, more visible. We are still adding meanings, and we are still discovering tools in Excel that can help you to make your data very, very professional, organized and presentable, and so you can depend on that to make some decision. So let us start. Filter, it's like extracting a specific data based on criteria, focusing on relevant information for analysis. So extracting, like you specify what you want, and you keep others temporarily. You just only pull out what you want to see on the screen. Others will be hidden temporarily. It will be there, but you don't need to see it. That is what you call filter in Excel. Let us see. Filtering in Excel focus on a specific data. That is the core, that is the meaning of filtering. So filter basic, then that is isolate what you call information based on a specific criteria, specifying data analysis. Then filter option, select multiple criteria, use wildcard characters, create custom files, filters. Then for more practice, data selection. Then what you call filter benefits, isolate essential information, simplifying analysis, and create focused report for the better decision making. So in filter, there are two kinds of filter we can do. We have what we call basic filter, thereby you just go and pull out what you want. Then what you call filter option is whereby you need to create more criteria. You create more criteria rather than more than one. Then you depend on those different criteria, then you filter out what you want. So let us try to go to our Excel. Then benefit, the importance of filtering, just isolate essential information, simplifying analysis, and create focused reports for better decision making. So when you pull out of a large set of data, when you pull out a specific information and represent that one, it can help you to depend on that and find what you call, or you can make a decision which is for business. So let us go to our Excel and we see where do we find the filter, how to apply filter. So the shortcut for applying filter on any set of data, it is Control Shift Arrow. That is the shortcut for applying filter on any set of data in Excel. Control Shift Arrow. Just click within your data, anywhere in your data. When you click inside your data, they are here. You can see they have headings. So if I want to apply filter on this data, what I will do, I'll just press Control Shift Arrow at the same time. If I press, you will see the change. So when you press, you will see filter will come. You will see this one, it was not there. Even to remove filter in your data, to clear filter, you press Shift Control Arrow at the same time, they will go. So you observe clearly. I'm gonna filter this data by shortcut by pressing Control Shift Arrow on your keyboard. They will come. So here I can move my cursor here. When I get that hand, I would like to filter size of choose, so I'll click here. and I go and extract what I want and leave out what I don't want. So that is how to create filter in Excel. But if you don't want shortcut, so let us assume you are inside your data, you want to create a filter that data. There is another way. So let us explore one by one. The first one, click inside your data or click just anywhere in your data, right click, then there is what you call filter. Then you can read this what by for now we're gonna filter by selected cells values, not by this one they apply for other things. So selective cells value, what is inside the cell, that is the meaning. This one means the fill of the cell. This one means font color, that is a font color, that is the word we have in the cell, which font they have. By now we have the default one, so we don't need to apply this. Another filter by cells icon. Cell icon, we shall see that one later in conditional formatting, whereby you can apply icon to present a trend of some information. So here we don't have any icon, so we will depend on selected cells values, what is inside the cell, that is the simple meaning. Click here, you will see that filter has been applied on your work. So according to what you want, you can make sure that you show what you want. Maybe according, you don't want this, or you want to sort out to filter depending on gender, you come here, the filter funnel has already come, then you filter, you select what you want to see, or female, I don't want to see male, then you select female, you click there. You can see we are only having female, males are not there. So to clear filter in that column, go there where you filtered. Once you filter, you can see the change. This funnel is different from this one. Filter funnel, this one is showing that is not yet applied any filter. Here this column with no filter has been applied, but here you can see it is big and have a small one, so which means a filter has been applied. So when you given data and you want to identify, someone asks you which column here is filtered, you can easily identify it with the difference. So click there. If you want to clear that filter, then clear filter from here, so it will go away, but you will still remain with the filter filter funnels. So if you want to remove those filter funnels, you can right click, then click on, maybe you can right click, let me clear filter here, I'll clear filter, I'll still have filter. So if you want to go with this filter, there's a different way. You can use shortcut Control Shift L, or you can go to home, there's what you call filter and sort. So go there, look the word is filter and click there, it will go. So the same apply when you want to add filter on this work. When you want to filter, just come to filter and sort, then go where there is filter, click there, those funnel will come, then we'll be able to select any column depending on your own criteria. So that is how we can apply filter on work. So there's another way how we can apply filter. So we click inside their work. Let us first clear under home tab, there's a group called editing. You go where there is a filter. We've tried to clear filter, now we don't have filter. So there's another way. Click inside your work, go to data tab, apply filter, it is here, it will come to give you the same thing. That is how we can apply filter on our data. So if you want to filter, you can filter by number values, select them, then you deselect, you only show what you want to see, they will be there. So when you click on it, they will come.